and this is video tourism and leisure part 2 holiday season. And right now I'm with my friends at Tirta Ayu Beach in Indramayu. The atmosphere here is very lively, the beach is beautiful, and there are many culinary options. It's a good choice for a family vacation. Tirta Ayu Beach with its very nice vibes. Only cost 15